Hello everyone, good afternoon. At this moment, I am going to talk about life in Colombia. Colombia, my beautiful Colombia, my homeland, the land where I was born, my colorful, diverse, and splendid land. Living in Colombia is bittersweet. From different points of view, you can talk about this topic about life in Colombia. Being the second most biodiverse country in the world gives it a magical, natural, healthy, and rich touch for the human survival. But unfortunately, in many cases, this is not the case. Living in Colombia can be exhausting, stressful, and even traumatic. Science, the cost of living is through the roof. Inflation has hit hard in recent years. The violence that it has been present in science past generations. For not being raised since the colonial era. It has deeply marked genetics, families, and new generations corrupt governments and poverty due to the poor distribution of wealth. It is a social and cultural score with which it coexists, even so. Talking about my country is exciting and gives a feeling that despite the difficulties, people are warm, loving, helpful, and that at some point everything can be better. Thank you so much. I love Colombia.